Good morning. We're at beautiful Leeyslvania State Park, a place where I love to come. It is on the Potomac River. And what's cool about this park is there's a wonderful beach to play on right there. And one of the cool things about this place is going to happen here shortly. We are just near Quantico Base. And my whole life I've pretty much lived by where the military is. We've got, let's see, Guam, Japan, Hawaii, here in Virginia with the Pentagon. And that's obviously because of my parents and my dad being in the Navy. But one of the reasons I'm here now is because I love Virginia. And I bought a house down here just probably a couple miles from Triangle and Quantico, where the FBI Academy is, but also another military installation. I even worked near a military installation, Fort Belvoir. But anyway, today we're going to be treated by the sight of several Blackhawk helicopters coming in for a landing in the parking lot here. It's a beautiful morning. There's actually some sailboats out on the water. That will be Cameron and the sailing school where I bought my sailboat from. Anyway, let's mosey over to where we'll get a good view in the parking lot. Have it. Always something exciting on these